If you're in the market for a versatile and efficient tool for your gardening and farming needs, the folding sickle carbon stainless steel might be just what you're looking for. This portable sickle stands out with its high carbon and stainless steel construction, ensuring durability and sharpness that will last. The blade is super sharp, which significantly reduces the effort required for weeding, making it an excellent choice for those who want to spend less time battling weeds and more time enjoying their garden. With a size of 48 by 23 centimeters, this sickle is available in two variations: 19.53 inches by 9.05 inches and 16.53 inches by 9.05 inches. This means you can choose the one that best suits your needs, whether you're tending to raised beds or larger garden areas. The folding feature adds a layer of convenience, making it easy to store and carry. The steel side blade design ensures that it handles various types of weeds with ease. Whether you're dealing with tough grass or stubborn brush, this sickle is designed to make your gardening tasks simpler and more efficient. Its versatility extends beyond just weeding. It's also great for cutting and grafting. For those looking for a reliable tool that combines sharpness with portability, this folding sickle is a top contender.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.